Hey guys, so me and Tesco want to give you more delicious, healthier, affordable recipes. So this one is a cracker. This is my chili non-carne soup, which is a real winter warmer. It's so delicious. Loads of veggies in there, beans, rice, the butternut squash, that lovely hum of the sweet, smoky paprika. It's a goodie, plus you got the nice crunchy bits of tortilla to enjoy with it. Happy days. Get yourself a nice casserole pan on a medium-high heat. We're gonna start with the butternut squash. Take the end of the squash off and just cut down the length of the squash. Let's scoop out the seeds. Slice into little chunks like this. I wanna get 2 onions, 2 cloves of garlic. Slice up the garlic as thinly as you can, and then finely slice the red onion. Let's just go in with a little drizzle of olive oil. I'm gonna go in with the garlic first. And while that's frying, I'm gonna take 2 chilies. Now, if your chilies are hot, just use 1, but these are kind of sweet and mild. I'm just gonna finely slice these chilies. The seeds are quite hot, so by removing them, it just allows you to celebrate the flavor more than the heat. So already the smells are great. I'm gonna use coriander. Coriander stalks are very, very delicious. I'm just gonna finely slice these, keep the leaves, you put them in a little glass, top it up with water, and you'll just find that it keeps it really fresh for sprinkling over later. These stalks here, I'll put in with the chili. Then we can go in with our onions. So if you just sweat off the onions nicely for like 5–10 minutes, you're gonna get big flavor, a sweetness, and it's gonna kind of just bring all the flavors together. Really, really nice. Now, with the squash, you might be thinking the skin was left on here. The skin on a butternut squash is thin, it's delicious, and it's outrageously sweet, almost like candy sweet. So the whole lot is going in the pan now. Right, the last thing I want to do to flavor this, because we're taking the meat out, is a brilliant little spice. This is smoked paprika. That smokiness is kind of what you get from meat. So 1 nice heaped teaspoon goes in, and that will make a massive difference. Have 10–15 minutes of moving the veggies around, because that's gonna intensify every single bit of flavor, right? If we just throw the wet stuff in, it's just gonna be boiled stuff. We don't want boiled stuff. We want an amazing, rich, comforting soup. So look, we've had just over 10 minutes. You can see the caramelization in here, and you can hear that it's frying. And let's add the next ingredients. Let's talk about healthier swaps. First up, mixed beans. You're just getting a way more variety, and it's a brilliant source of fiber. So go in to the pan with the beans, and then fill this tin up with water. 2 tins of water. I'm gonna add some tomatoes. So you can crush those through your hands if you're kind of rugged and rustic like me, or you can just mash them in, whatever you like. So another little swap is swapping white rice for brown rice. Okay, so you're gonna get more fiber. You actually get more flavor, which is really, really good. We want 150 grams, and you can let this sort of simmer quite fast for about 20 minutes. Now, the last job that I wanna do before I chill out is do some crispy little tortillas. So another healthier swap is going from the white tortilla to the whole wheat one, right? I love these. So much more flavor as well. Tear up the tortillas, spread them out on a tray, and I'm gonna put these into the oven just for like 5–10 minutes, or until golden. And now I can just chill out. So the soup has had about 20 minutes. The rice is cooked. Oh, it smells exceptional. Right, tortillas. So these have been about 10 minutes to kind of get crunchy and delicious, beautiful. So soup, it's quite chunky, and some people love that. You can go pureed if you want, but that's not where I want to go. I want a bit of half and half. So get a potato masher and give it a ruddy good mashing. And it's going to give it a much creamier texture, make it more delicious, more intense. Get some of that coriander and tear it through. That, my friends, I'm very, very happy with. So we've got a load of food there. It's incredibly affordable. It's very, very nutritious. It's a really comforting dish. Got some of the tortilla chunk in there. If you want a bit of yogurt, I like it. And then if you want just a little bit of grated cheese, just a tiny little bit, and it is delicious. And a bit of coriander to garnish. And that, my friends, is a beautiful, beautiful soup. Chili non-carne, squash, veggies, beans, that smoky, smoky paprika. Delicious. A proper big bowl of tasty soup. Let's have a try. Big flavors, really nice, comforting, makes me really, really happy. It's like a big old hug, and it's really affordable. So that, my friends, is definitely something you want to try. Get into Tesco, get the stuff, and get cooking. Your lot are gonna love it.